I don't say this is not too stress with but you're the flex. I swear they enjoy.
Marriage not easy, oh.
I know people to be like you, my man. Hey, your man not going to be like you. See the sign now. See your right. See your right.
No, this one. Now don't say carry my woman now.
You know big boy now. See your good chain.
What to do?
I can't be like you.
Bro. Ava.
Bro,
I thought you up now.
Fuck up big ground.
Fuck up big ground.
Big ground. Big one as at that.
What happen now?
That your friend when you tell me who collect that stuff from.
What happen?
Hey.
He die?
He don't go village.
Hey, what?
He go village now. He not control so he want go somewhere like that. He leave the thing, go village like that.
what be the problem? What is the problem now? What are you
Ask
talking
him,
about?
ask him. Go tell him.
Person want give me meat for marriage. He don't go village.
You no call now?
At the corner, you know, but not the go.
This way you make mistake. Eh? You would have called me now. You would have called me on phone, and I would have helped you.
You dey work for slaughter.
I tell you, help me ask him.
So you guys have not heard of Sapphire frozen foods? Sapphire frozen foods now.
They set fire.
No. See, they sell chicken, they sell turkey, even crate of egg, fish, all kind of fish. Is it tilapia fish? Is it kote? Is it titus? Is it ojuyobo? Name it, all kinds of fish. They have it in their stock house.
Wow.
Eh?
They sell many one.
Many. If is it in carton, anyhow you want it, they will deliver to you. Even they will deliver to your doorstep.
Where they
That
dey?
makes sense.
They are at 182A. Meron Road, Meron, Lagos.
Wow.
Okay.
Wait oh.
That's
That
nice.
guy in Dey Lagos, me no know.
See, let me even give you their contact sef. Bring out the phone, let me give you their contact.
Call on.
081
081
366
366
70
70
775.
775.
It's very easy. And you know this thing, they also sell in retail and wholesale too.
Nice.
Just call them now. Let's
Abeg,
call them
don't
now.
take the since.
Call them.
Let's just
Let's go.